What is up, everybody? We are back with another video in my Iron Man tutorial series where I show you how to design, how to print, and how to build your very own custom Iron Man helmet. Without further ado, you've seen the helmet, you've seen the other videos. Let's get into part 4 of how to design your own Iron Man helmet.
What's up, everybody? Back with another video. So in this video, this is part 4 of the series of building an Iron Man helmet by yourself, from design to motorizing it. And in this video, we have all 3 of these pieces. As you can see, they're all separate, and we're going to be combining them. So the way that we're going to do that is you're going to get yourself a soldering iron, and you're going to basically just melt the pieces together. So what I'm going to do to combine them first to get it a little nicer for us is just tape them up with some duct tape that I have right here. And yeah, I'll be back when I'm done with that. Alright, I got the whole Iron Man mask taped together. You can kind of see it's coming together. And now what I'm actually going to do is take this front part off, just so I can get to the other part easier. And you're going to want to go ahead and turn on your soldering iron. Mine's already nice and hot, as you can see. It's like basically red hot. And what you're going to want to do is just solder the inside line right here. So essentially what you're going to want to do is press the edges together as close as they can get. And then you just want to kind of like paint it a little bit. So if this was a soldering iron, you would just press in the middle and then like go side to side like that. And yeah, I'll be back when I see the last part's done. Okay, so I just finished soldering part of it. And as you can see, I did like little kind of like dots or lines like right there. And then you're gonna want to come back and do like the whole part of it now. So now you just want to kind of weld the whole thing. This is a process called like 3D welding, and it's really dangerous because you can definitely burn yourself, so be careful with that, because these things are red hot, as you can see. I mean, this is an older one, so it's a little hotter than it should be. But yeah, and definitely don't inhale the fumes. That's really dangerous too. All right, now as you can see, I kind of did up that whole line right there. And yeah, now we're ready to take the tape off. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the tape and see if it's sturdy enough. And sure enough, yeah, it holds together perfectly. I mean, you can even tug on it a little bit and it still holds together. And as you can see, it is coming together. That fits amazing. Like, that fits my head perfectly, honestly. A little too perfect. All right, let's tape on this part and I'll solder it up. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a video of me actually soldering this so you guys can see what I'm doing. So let's see if this is hot enough. It's just about hot enough, yeah. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just tap right there and kind of drag it a little bit. Drag it backwards, forwards, kind of draw a little bit with it. And then as you can see, it's starting to melt. And then, yeah, I can draw a little line in there, kind of like that. It's not the best angle, but you can see that I'm trying to draw a line right there. And then you kind of just repeat that. You just go down this line and repeat it. You just keep doing that until the gap's filled. But yeah, definitely be careful, guys. You don't want to breathe this stuff in, and you definitely don't want to burn yourself. So get adult supervision, or, you know, if you are an adult, then you go ahead and do it. Now I'm kind of trying to draw the whole line together. And I'm just going back and forth along the line. Back and forth, back and forth. You can barely see it, yeah. It's almost like using a 3D pen, but you're just melting it. Not that I've ever used the 3D pen before. But yeah, you're just gonna try to melt it together. And then hopefully it ends up sturdy. Melt this part too, again. And I'm gonna let this cool down and then do the other side. Alright, that's the end of the video. It's all soldered up and it's all one piece now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a bit of a shorter part, but on the next video we're gonna show you how to coat it and put the servos on it so that the faceplate can go up and down. If you guys enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, share if you want another video.